How's it going, guys? I have this on all bands, but it's more prevalent right here. Anyways, I don't know if you hear that. And then as you scroll across, noise level's not bad, but get it again. As I scroll across, same thing, scroll across, same thing. Any ideas would be great. I do have a long line set up outside for a multi-band with a 49-to-1 matching transformer with an RF choke as well. And then I do have toroids on pretty much everything I run in here. Anyways, any thoughts would be greatly appreciated.